Hi, Scorpio. This is a peek at your partner for the week of September the 27th through October the 3rd, 2020. Universal energies, show me what I need to see for the partner of the star sign of Scorpio for September the 27th through October the 3rd, 2020. Universal energies, show me what I need to see for the partner of the star sign of Scorpio for September the 27th through October the 3rd, 2020. Universal energies, show me what I need to see for the partner of the star sign of Scorpio for September the 27th through October the 3rd, 2020. Show me. You guys, subscribe, like, comment, and share these videos. If this does not resonate with you, check your moon, rising, and Venus sign videos. I do not read reversals. So, Scorpio. Scorpio, this is a peek at your partner. So, Scorpio, your partner has the Knight of Wands. Your partner has the Six of Swords. Your partner has the Eight of Cups. Your partner has the Page of Pentacles. And your partner has the Seven of Wands. Scorpio, your partner has the Knight of Wands. Aries, Leo, or Sag. This is someone rushing into your partner or your partner rushing in to start a passionate, creative new endeavor. Now, someone could be rushing in, going off, going ham passionately, rushing in with the spark of a new idea, rushing in with some type of exciting, passionate communication, exciting, passionate action. But this wand is symbolic of the male phallic and using the male phallic to be intimate. This is flighty energy, in and out energy, player energy. Scorpio, listen. It could have been a rushing in, going off, going ham passionately with a heated discussion or argument with you guys. It could be that someone is trying to rush somewhere, rush to take off, to do something. Or Scorpio, someone is flighty, out being a player, getting cookies somewhere. Clarify the Knight of Wands for Scorpio's partner. Clarify the Knight of Wands for Scorpio's partner. Clarify the Knight of Wands for Scorpio's partner. Scorpio, you're at the bottom of the deck. It is clarified with the Five of Wands. Aries, Leo, or Sag. This is conflict. This is fussing, fighting, disagreements, arguments, jealousy, competition, drama. But this can also speak to your partner being conflicted within about something. Scorpio, your partner could be conflicted within about maybe rushing off somewhere, rushing to do something, Scorpio. But Scorpio, it looks like it could have been a rushing in, going off, going ham passionately with a heated discussion or argument. Some type of fight or drama is taking place. But Scorpio, this fight or drama could be taking place because someone is flighty, out getting cookies somewhere. Scorpio, your partner has the Six of Swords. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. This is moving away to calmer waters, moving away to a place of peace. So either mentally or physically, your partner is wanting to move away. Now, this can speak to if you guys had any type of disagreements or arguments between you, agreeing to disagree, letting bygones be bygones, and moving away to a place of peace and harmony together. Or this is your partner saying they just want to move out, move on, and move away from the relationship, Scorpio. Like, I don't know, maybe they just want peace in their life, Scorpio. Maybe they want you guys to put it behind you, this heated discussion or argument. Or Scorpio, they're trying to get out of Dodge because you may have bought your stinger out. I don't know. Clarify the Six of Swords for Scorpio's partner. Clarify the Six of Swords for Scorpio's partner. Clarify the Six of Swords for Scorpio's partner. The Hierophant. Could be dealing with a Taurus. But the Hierophant speaks to the leader of a religious organization, the leader of a metaphysical organization. This is a clergyman, a pastor, a preacher, a teacher, a coach, a mentor, a counselor, someone of wise counsel. This is the institution of higher learning. This is a corporate institution. This is the marriage card, Scorpio. You could be dealing with a Taurus. You know, maybe this Taurus is wanting to just move away from you, Scorpio, or wanting you guys to put it behind you, okay, and move forward. Scorpio, this can be about forgiveness, okay? We'll see. Clarify the Hierophant for Scorpio's partner. You guys may be in a commitment, Scorpio. Please, don't make me drag the fact that someone may already be in a commitment on the table. Clarify the Hierophant for Scorpio's partner. Clarify the Hierophant for Scorpio's partner. It is clarified with the Five of Swords. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. This is tit for tat, tug of war, one up in one another, snide remarks, having the last say, speaking ill of one another behind each other's back, backstabbing one another. This is playing mind games, ego tripping, trying to win at all costs. A bunch of mind games and manipulation. Now, Scorpio, listen, either this person wants forgiveness for the tit-for-tat, tug-of-war, one up in one another with this heated discussion or argument, Scorpio. Or Scorpio, listen, Scorpio, I hope that this person, you could be dealing with a Taurus, or this person may already be in a commitment, and to spite you, to like rub salt in the wound, Scorpio, they're just moving on back with the person that they're already in a commitment with. Let's see. Scorpio. Your partner has the Eight of Cups. Scorpio, Cancer, or Pisces. This is walking away from people, places, and things that no longer serve them. This is your partner detaching emotionally, feeling emotionally drained, and just walking away from people, places, and things that no longer serve them. So Scorpio, listen, this person may be pissy mad or pissy drunk, pissy mad, Scorpio, and leaving, okay? But Scorpio, this person may want forgiveness for the tit for tat, for the argument, for the drama. Because when we're dealing with the Eight of Cups, this is someone who's leaving in search of their wish fulfillment, their Nine of Cups. And oftentimes they find that the grass is not greener on the other side, so they end up returning. So, you know, they could have up and left, pissy mad, but they may be returning, Scorpio, or they want to tell me why they're leaving. Clarify the Eight of Cups for Scorpio's partner, because I know you, Scorpio. That's why I'm laughing, because I know you. You, listen, no holds barred, Scorpio. You're not holding back. Give them chance after chance after freaking chance. Chance after chance after motherfucking chance. And then they still do the same thing. So guess what? They deserve anything that they get coming from Scorpio. Clarify the Eight of Cups for Scorpio's partner. Clarify the Eight of Cups for Scorpio's partner. Clarify the Eight of Cups for Scorpio's partner. It is clarified with Temperance. Could be dealing with a Sagittarius. But the universe is calling for your partner to be patient, to heal, and to remain balanced. That any decision that they make, it needs to be a careful blending of the head and the heart. Now, when we're dealing with temperance, temperance is about healing, harmony, being willing to compromise, and also reconciliation. Scorpio, listen, could be dealing with a Sagittarius. Number one, I hope this Taurus is not spiting you, being spiteful and vengeful, leaving you, going back to the Sagittarius who they could be in a commitment with, Scorpio. Scorpio, listen, your partner may be so pissy mad and rushing off because you guys had an argument that the universe is cautioning your partner to be patient. But Scorpio, someone who left, this person here who left, may be returning, wanting to heal things and reconcile. Clarify Temperance for Scorpio's partner. Clarify temperance for Scorpio's partner. Clarify temperance for Scorpio's partner. Three of Pentacles. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This is making plans to meet up, making plans to partner up, to work together on a contract or a project. This is teamwork. This is collaboration. Now, this can speak to there being a third party involved, but this can also speak to your partner being willing to work on it or put in the work. Scorpio, listen. Is it that your partner is leaving in a rush to leave because of there being a third party, someone being a player? Scorpio, is your partner to spite you leaving and returning back to someone they're in a commitment with, have some type of agreement with, maybe a Sagittarius? Or Scorpio, this person who left, your partner, who left, maybe returning, wanting to work things out and reconcile here, Scorpio. Maybe they want forgiveness for going toe-to-toe with you, Scorpio. Maybe wanting to move away to a place of peace and harmony. We'll see. Scorpio, your partner has the Page of Pentacles. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This is news or a message about a solid, stable, committed offer. Now, this can be the news about an offer for an invite out for dinner and a movie. This can be about making things more committed. This can be about a lump sum of money, a job offer, a raise, a promotion, a bonus, a high-ticket item purchase, a new home, a new car, a token of love, a gift, anything of value. This is the news or message of it. Scorpio, like, you could be dealing with this Taurus, and this is a message from them. This can be news about practicality or a commitment, okay? Clarify the Page of Pentacles for Scorpio's partner. Clarify the Page of Pentacles for Scorpio's partner. Clarify the Page of Pentacles for Scorpio's partner. The Chariot. Could be dealing with a Cancer, but your partner is determined to move forward confidently, victoriously, successfully ahead. Now, this can speak to travel. This can speak to relocating cities, states, countries. This can speak to moving from one residence to another, or simply moving forward and leaving things behind. But your partner is determined to move forward confidently, Scorpio. Could be dealing with a Cancer here, okay? It very well could be. First off, your partner could be leaving for work or business. This could be about work or business. First of all, it can be about work or business for your partner, all of it. But it could also be your partner just up and leaving, and it's an issue that you guys are having. And they may be up and leaving really fast just to spite you, Scorpio. Let's see. Clarify the Chariot for Scorpio's partner. Clarify the Chariot. They could have made this announcement that they're going back to whoever they're in a commitment with. Clarify the Chariot for Scorpio's partner. Just want to piss somebody off, man. Clarify the Chariot for Scorpio's partner. Death. This is you, Scorpio. But death symbolizes to end something, only to begin something new. Death symbolizes transformation, rebirth. Scorpio, this is you, but I don't know if your partner is going to move forward to maybe end something, or something that ended, they're returning back to it to work things out. And with this read, Scorpio, it's hard to place you. Even though you're here, it's hard to place you. Because this can be about your partner having some type of disagreement or argument with you, and then going back to someone that they formerly had some type of commitment with, okay? Let's see. Clarify death for Scorpio's partner. Clarify death for Scorpio's partner. What does Scorpio's partner think of Scorpio? What does Scorpio's partner think of Scorpio? Clarify death for Scorpio's partner. It is clarified with the Wheel of Fortune. This is divine timing at play. This is the karmic wheel of destiny. This is a fated event. This is change in your luck and fortune, where this wheel can spin and you can have good luck and fortune. Or this wheel can spin the other way and things can get a little rocky here, Scorpio. So Scorpio, your partner thinks that things have changed between you and them. But Scorpio, like I said, it can be some type of change with work or business. Maybe your partner got mad and left the job or whatever, but it could also be taking you out of the equation. It could be a change from something ending and then something starting over, maybe with this person that they had some type of history with. Making this announcement about some type of commitment moving forward after ending, new beginning, change here. Clarify the Wheel of Fortune for Scorpio's partner. Clarify the Wheel of Fortune for Scorpio's partner. Clarify the Wheel of Fortune for Scorpio's partner. 8 of Cups. What the heck? Scorpio, Cancer, or Pisces. This is walking away from people, places, and things that no longer serve them. This is your partner detaching emotionally, feeling emotionally drained, and just walking away from people, places, and things that no longer serve them. You're dealing with some type of like bipolar issue type person, Scorpio. It's like if they're dealing with work or business, it could have been a change, okay? And maybe they're returning to this workplace after some type of heated discussion or argument, whatever. But Scorpio, it just seems like this person has left someone else, dealt with you. You guys had this heated discussion or argument, and now they're making some type of announcement about going back to the person that they ended it with. Just changing their mind, going back, like leaving and going back. Scorpio, your partner has the 7 of Wands, Aries, Leo, or Sag. This is your partner being defensive. They're on the defense. But this can also speak to them being put in a position where they're having to defend themselves, excuse me, against rumors, gossip, and other people's opinions. And this can be your partner shunning someone, fighting someone off, setting boundaries with someone. But this is also an accusatory card. So your partner could be being accused of some type of rumors and gossip, and they're trying to defend themselves, Scorpio. Scorpio, either your partner's defensive in this heated discussion or argument, or your partner's kind of standoffish, setting boundaries here. Scorpio, you could have accused them of something here, and this is the whole argument. You could have accused them of being a player, dealing with you and probably dealing with someone else. And it just seems like the reason why I say that they're returning to someone they had before is because of this card. And you see that they are wishy-washy. Clarify the 7 of Wands for Scorpio's partner. Clarify the 7 of Wands for Scorpio's partner. Clarify the 7 of Wands for Scorpio's partner. Justice. Could be dealing with a Libra, but your partner may be calling for karmic justice, saying, you know what, I'm a good person. I put good out there. I'm just expecting that good to return to me. Or your partner saying someone did me so wrong and so dirty, I'm calling for karmic justice. I want them to get exactly what they deserve. Or they're dealing with something in the justice system. Listen, Scorpio, your partner could say that, hey, something isn't fair, something isn't balanced, something isn't just here, and this is why they're kind of standoffish. Your partner could say, hey, I want to come in and explain. I want to defend myself. I want to bring justice to the situation and right or wrong, and let me explain to you, Scorpio. Or Scorpio, your partner's defending something, dealing with something in maybe in the justice system, defending why it hasn't happened yet, defending why they may be returning to the person that they may have some type of binding contract with. Clarify justice for Scorpio's partner. Clarify justice. Really? Oh gosh. Clarify clarify justice for Scorpio's partner. It is clarified with the Two of Pentacles. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This is juggling. Now, this could be juggling two ideas. Should I, shouldn't I? Will I, won't I? This can be your partner managing many things at once, weighing up the pros and the cons, or juggling two relationships. You know, Scorpio, listen, maybe they feel like juggling is justified because they're already in something. But Scorpio, I want to backtrack. What if none of this is about you and you're just getting a bird's eye view with this reading, Scorpio? They can be trying to justify their juggling while they're in a commitment to this person that they're going back to. For whatever reason, they had an argument or whatever, they broke up or whatever, and you were in the picture. All of this can be about returning and trying to explain to that person, well, yeah, I was wrong, but guess what? We weren't together. We broke up. We had a heated discussion or argument. It was threats about going to the justice system. I thought we were going to get a legal separation or divorce, you know. So this person could be trying to justify their juggling, Scorpio. Scorpio, this is a peek at your partner for the week of September the 27th through October the 3rd, 2020. You guys give me feedback, subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace.